Hey everyone, this is Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the LED VSL headlight from Acerbis. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. So today we're talking to you KTM and Husqvarna owners out there who have a bike that came with a headlight from the factory. A lot of riders who talk about the headlight from KTM and Husqvarna, how it's just not that bright. And there's a lot of riders wishing that they had some more light. Well, an easy, affordable way to upgrade the lighting on your motorcycle is with this VSL headlight from Acerbis. And the reason that I say that is that this puppy puts out over 4,300 lumens. And compared to the stock headlight, it is a lot brighter. You will not put this on and then wish that you had even more light. It's gonna get the job done for you. So again, you've got over 4,300 lumens at 16 LEDs. This thing's gonna pull 48 watts. IP rating of 68, which means it's waterproof. It's also dust proof. Life expectancy is really good. They say about 50,000 hours. And as far as the install process goes, that's one of the best parts. It's super easy. It's literally just plug and play. You have one connector that you're gonna connect on the back, but the way this installs, you take your stock headlight off your motorcycle, and you'll notice that on the stock setup, there's a bracket that is actually screwed into the plastic number plate. You just take that off, screw this one on there, pop it back on, you're good to go. So I'd say 5-10 minutes max, you'll be able to have this installed and you're out there riding, having a good time. So again, if you have a KTM or a Husqvarna bike that came with a headlight and you're wishing you could upgrade that and get even more light, great way to do it. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure leave those below. To grab one of these, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are bike specific, so all you got to do is enter the make, model, and the year when you're picking yours up, and you're going to be good to go. Orders over 75 bucks, you're free. If you like this little product spotlight, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.